Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. In this video, we'll be comparing two of the top air fryers, the Chefman air fryer and the Ninja air fryer XL. We'll be evaluating both products based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. If you are someone who wants to cook for a large family or friends, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is a better option as it has a 5.5 quarts capacity compared to the Chefman Air Fryer's 8-quart capacity. However, if you have limited counter space, the Chefman Air Fryer's smaller size might work best for you. The Ninja Air Fryer XL wins in the versatility category as it offers 5 cooking functions: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, while the Chefman air fryer only has 4 presets for chicken, fish, meat, and French fries. The Ninja Air Fryer XL's dehydrate function is an interesting feature if you like to make your own snacks. Both air fryers are great for healthier cooking options as they use up to 75% less oil than traditional frying methods. However, the Chefman air fryer has an advantage over the Ninja Air Fryer XL in that it can cook with at least 98% less oil. If you're someone who's looking for the healthiest option, the Chefman air fryer might be the better choice. Both air fryers give you a wide temperature range to cook at, but the Ninja Air Fryer XL has a slightly better range, starting at 105 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a good option if you want to dehydrate foods at a low temperature. The Chefman air fryer's temperature range starts at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep this in mind depending on the kind of recipes you plan to cook. Both air fryers have non-stick baskets and crisper plates, making cleaning easy. However, the Chefman air fryer's parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, making it even easier to clean up. If you don't have a dishwasher, either model will still be easy to clean. If price is a deciding factor, the Chefman air fryer is the more affordable option at $99, while the Ninja Air Fryer XL comes with a price tag of $155. However, keep in mind that the Ninja Air Fryer XL does offer more cooking functions and a larger capacity. That's it for our review of the Chefman air fryer and the Ninja Air Fryer XL. In summary, both air fryers are great options for healthier cooking, but they do have their key differences. The Chefman air fryer is more affordable, and the Ninja Air Fryer XL offers more cooking functions and a larger capacity. Which one is right for you will depend on your specific needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like it, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.